Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Idris. Today we have a Ford need to be programmed, and it is a 2020. As usual, 2020, sometimes you will not be able to do it with IDS. Some cars yes, some cars no. They change a rack and pinion, and we need to program it. What are we going to do? Okay, in this case, instead of going back and forth, I will use pass-through device, any pass-through device that's comparable. It will not work with the IDS interface itself. You can use an MDI interface as a J2534, but you cannot use the IDS itself in this program, which is very strange. Now here, if you need to use a pass-through device, please subscribe, share, and like. I'm sorry, I just come here. What I need to do is, I'm gonna show you how we can go buy a subscription for the Ford software interface and program it. First, you go and write down morocraftservice.com or write USA Morocraft. So just go to Morocraft here, write down morocraftservice.com. You see here in this place, click on it. It will open this page for you. Now you are here. You need to subscribe. You see, like here, I already log in. So you come to your account, you log in, or my subscription. If you are not subscribed, you register. My subscription, you click on it. I log in already, but if you are not, you can subscribe. Let me log out. You see, register today. You can register, put your name, your country, your information, and everything, and then from there, they're gonna send you on your email address the confirmation. When you get the confirmation, keep that email address correctly, because on when you download the diagnosis software, let me close this. When you download the diagnostic software here, you deal with the FGDS, and you download the software. When you open it, you may need to put the email address that you register with it in your account, and that will automatically, as soon as you buy the 3-day subscription or 2-day subscription, it will automatically go and pull down the information, and it will activate your IDS software. So here you see, this is my profile, my account information, password, order histories. If you order anything, it will tell you what you order. You have to log in again. I ordered it, so I'm gonna log in, for example, because I log out. So I'm gonna try to put my the security check number, for example, JQF. Okay, I will submit. Amen. Now here, I am inside my subscription. When you are here, you go all the way to the diagnostic support. Click, you know, this thing have like, you go to diagnostic support and then hover into software, and then go here, go down to FJDS here, and then go all the way to the right, check vehicle coverage, software download. You don't download software, that to download the interface free. Purchase software, you click OK. Now he will tell you what are you going to get if you buy the software. Go inside, go all the way down, it tell you the prices, $900 and all these prices. After you are inside your platform and you need to purchase and you take a decision to purchase, or you have a renewal, they have hotline leasing here. You can pay, you can call them, or you can create an account, or if they can email you your username if you forget, or they can email you the password if you forget. But if you have your password, you put it in and click next. You see now, I try, there's a problem here. Yeah.
Okay, give me a favor, please.
Hold on. Okay, we are here after we put the second password and purchase additional license, purchase a TechPro All Make software subscription. I don't know what it is. Generate offline response file. License status is updated weekly. Please use the button to instantly refresh and view the most recent. Okay. So now that's I'm gonna purchase addition. I don't know what it is. Maybe these are new things. Please note this software subscription is for all Make diagnosed software. This will allow you to use your Ford VCM's hardware to perform diagnostic on most after non-Ford vehicle. The software will not work on Ford vehicles. Wow. The Ford IDS FDR FGDS software is for use on all Ford vehicle and previous full dealership capability. If you are looking to add the all Make diagnostic software availability, please click next below. If you are looking for Ford OEM diagnostic software, please return to the home screen. That means they bring you a regular diagnostic tool that you can buy. I don't know how much it is, but I'm gonna leave this one later on. I'm gonna buy additional. Which one you want? $90, $150, 2 days for $150. No, I don't need anything here. IDS for 2 days is $150, but I need FGDR for 2 days here, the latest one here. One, and then click next. So you have to agree for any term that they have it, and then click next. Okay, now you're gonna, if you have any code, promo code, anything, now you're gonna click connect next. You see here, they say that IDS license software is limited to the country drop down list, you know, like when you go first time. So you cannot buy if you are outside of that country, but you try to manage and see what's going on. So now I'm gonna go next. The address, hopefully it's gonna work. You have to put your information there. Let me try to get my information and I come back. After you fill the information, you're gonna press the order, and if the order is already correct, you're gonna do the process. Now you see this is the activation code. You don't need to do anything here. This is a reference code. It's gonna finish after tomorrow. No, tomorrow, August 1st. As soon as you finish this one, now you leave everything like this. You have it. It is gone to another email address. I don't know why you go here, but it's okay. But what I'm, oh my goodness. So hopefully it's gonna work. If it's not, I have to check this email because they are different. So I'm going to get this information. As soon as you open your laptop and you connect it to the car, it will automatically go into diagnosis system and you start doing your diagnosis programming and troubleshooting. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. Hope this one will help you diagnose your car, program your computers, do all the jobs that you need to do, and I will come back to see what kind of that platform that is come just new to diagnose the car and check all other cars. I don't know if it's payable or not. Let me go back one more. It say if you need this one purchase. It's also for sale. Let me see how much costs. I still also need my password username. I don't know how much costs, but this is a new system. Maybe it's the new scanner. In order to use this TechPro software subscription, you will need to remember this password. After you order is placed, your account will be created and you will receive an account activation email address. Confirm your account has been created. You must follow the direction in this activation email to activate your TechPro account and use your subscription. After your order is placed and your account is created and activated, you can manage your tech account from TechPro software site. Your dealer TechPro account, well, you're gonna have your own password. So this one I'm not gonna do anything with it, but it's just something that you have to create your account. You go with it and you have another scanner. I will look at it and see what's going on and give you another video. Thank you.